I don't know if you guys can see, but we get all this dang snow to have it only start to do that. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. I'll try to zoom in. Drip, melt. Have all the snow melt off. Like, what the heck? What? The weather makes no sense. So I almost slip and fall in my Crocs. The weather makes no sense. How the heck? I don't get it. Can we have it? This weather makes no sense anymore. Cold enough for all this snow. It don't snow all day. Though it is enough snow to do that to the roof of her kennel. Though. On the way, I gotta try to get more.